Good day everyone, I am DANMARK DACUSIN from BSI ICT 3H. Today we are going to present our research entitled Wireless Doorbell with Short Message Service SMS Notification. For our background of the study, technology has a great contribution in our life when it comes to education, livelihood, economics, and to our society. It changed our way of communication, way of living, our life, our perspective, and our community. So the need to impart in improving to the community using technology will make the lives better than before. The general problem, this research is about to provide the information to the homeowners about the existing of the possible visitor and to reduce the waiting time for the visitor. So for our specific problem, it answered the question how the existing doorbell be improved in Camarin, Caloocan City, how can a wireless doorbell with short message service will be neighbor friendly, and how can the wireless doorbell with SMS notification can improve receiving guests, and how the wireless doorbell with SMS notification will be more convenient to the homeowners. So the general objective, the aim of this study is to design a wireless doorbell with SMS notification to help the homeowners of Camarin, Caloocan City. This will give an ease and stress-free for the homeowners visitor. The homeowners will be informed if someone is waiting outside after pressing the bell. We use the IPO or the input process output for our conceptual framework. For our system flowchart, it shows how the process of wireless doorbell with SMS notification will be more beneficial for the homeowners in Salieto, Camarin. For our hardware structure, we use the Arduino Nano board. It includes a speaker for signal tones and radio signal. It will transmit a message or notification to the phone of the homeowners once the guests click the buzzer. Good day everyone, my name is Joshua ALLAIN Sabas, and I'm here today to discuss about the research strategy, research method, research approach, and research instrument that we use in this study. So let's begin. Research strategy. Quantitative survey research strategy was used in this study. Objective questions used to gather thorough responses from respondents on a survey research topic are known as a quantitative survey questions. A research report is produced based on the analysis of the responses provided in response to these quantitative survey questions. These inquiries serve as the survey's main focus and are used to collect numerical data to calculate statistical outcomes. In research method, applied research is the type of research conducted for this paper. An inventive solution to a problem that affects a person, a group, or society is sought through applied research, a sort of study design. Due to the practical application of scientific principles to everyday issues, it is frequently referred to as a scientific method of inquiry or contractual research. And in research approach, quantitative research was the method of research used in this paper. The quantitative research method is an organized technique to gathering and interpreting data from many sources. While to generate results, quantitative research employs mathematical, statistical, and computational techniques. And for the last part, the methods of data collection and development of research instrument. For the purpose of data gathering, we use the survey approach. This involves posing inquiries to those who are deemed to be knowledgeable about this topic. And the survey is helpful in outlining the traits of a sizable community, ensuring a more precise sample to acquire focused results from which to draw conclusions and make significant judgments.
Good day everyone. My name is ERICKA BABON from BSI ICT 3H, and I am here to present to you the result and discussion we gained from our surveys about our research entitled The Wireless Doorbell with Short Message Service or SMS Notification. We have on our table 1 is a demographic profile of all of our respondents in terms of age, sex, and their family monthly income as well. As shown in the table 1.1, 98% of our respondents range in age from 18 to 25 years old. 4% of the respondents are ages 31 to 40 years old. Therefore, the majority who answer our survey rather, range up to 18 to 25 years old. On the table 1.2, table shows that the majority who answered our survey are female with a total of 30 respondents. And here in table 1.3, the last demographic we have is the respondents' family income. Shows that 48% of the respondents' monthly family income ranges in 21,914 mostly. Next is we have the 42% which family income is below 10,957. Next is 8% ranging 43,828 up to 76,669. And lastly is we have the 2% for the income 76,669 to 131,484. That will be all. Thank you so much.
Hi, good day. My name is Justin, and I'm from the BSIE City 3G. And the topic that I'm going to discuss, it's all about the conclusion and the recommendations with our research topic, the wireless doorbell with the SMS notifications or with the short message service notification. The doorbell system, it is a widely used today. More are being produced daily with different modification. Thus, there is a high demand for the doorbells with the best features. And this works incorporates a wireless doorbell with short message service notifications, and that will automatically send a notification using a text message on the smartphones of the homeowners of the house once someone ringing the bell button. And also it has an ability to give a feedback to the visitors. Once the owner replied to the message, the doorbell lights blink green as an indication that the homeowner is already aware about them, and it will blink red if the owners did not send any response. However, there are limitations to this implementation as it lacks the necessary to this to the security features to verify the identity of the visitors before letting him or her in the house. In future work, we plan to implement a one-way or two-way audio and video communication between the visitors and the homeowner. We will integrate as well the fingerprint and face recognition for the homeowner. We'll have an ability to see the visitor to increase the security and reduce the possible crime. For example, when someone comes to our home or to your home, but you are not available at home as of the moment, and someone tries to get inside of your house, there's a video of 10 seconds will be captured and sent to the homeowners through the internet over Wi-Fi on the homeowner application or to your application. And also it multiply the fingerprints of same person can be stored in the database and be used the same name will announce inside the home. So that would be the end of the conclusion and the recommendation for the topic of the wireless doorbell with SMS notification. And once again, my name is Justin CAMIA. Have a good one and please be safe.